for kids. It is near to Dholka. We left at 9 a.m. from Ahmedabad and we'll reach around 9:45 at that particular place. I'm going to show you the whole place. I'll make sure that I take all the videos and put it for you because as per the experience I have known from other people, kids are going to love this place. It is good for us also, and also for if you have any elders or olders in your home, they will love this place. So stay tuned and let's go.
So we are on the way. The map route was not so accurate, so we called the owner who helped us throughout to reach here. So finally we have arrived here. Today we are going to explore a very unique and unexplored place of Gujarat, which is called as Greenfield Picnic Park, which is approximate 35 km from Ahmedabad in the village of Dholka. Today the atmosphere is very nice, very pleasant, and we are here to give village experience to Riyan. Theoretically, few things which he already knew, now he will experience practically.
I cannot express in words. Trust me, you need to be here to experience these things. It's just the beginning. We have still not gone inside because we are loving here only so much.
So this is the swimming pool area. Now we are going for our breakfast. Hi Riyan. You started?
नाश्तो करो, चाय थोड़ी गर्म बना देता हूँ, नाश्तो कर लो, बराबर?
Okay. The breakfast menu was papda, jalebi, salads, and tea and coffee. And we had finished by around 10 a.m. Now the day starts with delicious breakfast.
ना भले ना.
Here we are going to enjoy our bullock cart ride.
Okay, so this is my first time experience in the bullock cart. I have never been before in a bullock cart, and Riyan is also enjoying his first bullock cart ride. We all know theoretically how to produce grains, crops, fruits, veggies and flowering plants, and we also taught it to Riyan before. But today he is learning all this practically, which is a very joyful feeling and a very satisfactory feeling.
શું છે? દાડ મારે વાહ.
Today we have seen and seek some knowledge of few of the fruits, vegetables and flowering plants. Plucking the fruits and vegetables directly from the plants was really a nature connecting experience for all of us. And Riyan's happiness was at another level.
देख मैं
लाल जामफड़ा बनी
It is a private farm and Pareshba has maintained it very beautifully. It is a very ideal place for family trips, school picnics. Before, many schools have visited here with kids to impart the village experience and the vintage experience, especially to the kids. You will learn the traditional games that today's kids don't even know existed. They also arrange birthday parties here, and festivals are also celebrated in the most traditional way. How's your lunch?
Yummy.
What do you like the most?
Onion fruit salad.
Okay. We were extremely hungry and the lunch was supremely delicious. They have made a complete Gujarati thali. If you inform them little prior, they can arrange some customized food menu as per your preferences.
Now it's time for some adventure, and we are climbing a tire ladder and heading towards our next activity, that is zip line. I and Riyan are going to do our first zip line together, and here we go.
Then Riyan asked to do zipline all alone. He is fearless, guys. Proud of him. We all did zipline number of times. We didn't have to pay every time for each and every activity, as everything was included in the package itself. The package is very reasonable and extremely worth. Okay. Where is Riyan's hand? Where is Didi's hand? आपने देखा है शायद? Hide करो. Yay! जल्दी करो. किसका हैंड मिलेगा सबसे पहले? देखो देखो देखो. Yay! अभी किसका हैंड मिलेगा? Let's check. मुझे ये भी दिख रहा है, ये भी दिख रहा है. Now it's pool time. The pool was very clean and we had so much fun in the pool. They had very few tubes, so I would recommend you to carry few of the pool tubes and ball with you. Also do carry extra pair of clothes and towels with you as you will definitely need them. If you are visiting this place with a toddler or a baby, I would recommend you to carry a mosquito repellent, few snacking options and some extra pairs of clothes and you're good to go. Also, I would recommend you to wear comfortable clothes and footwear to make your day out very pleasant and joyful.
Now it's high tea time. In menu it was khichu, Maggi, tea and coffee. Especially khichu was so yummy. Let's see.
Can you just see this view? The whole activity in between trees is organized so nicely, yaar. Yay! I want to share you something I felt today after my day out. If you wish a day totally with yourself, not caring about your skin and hairs, then just visit here. I realized I haven't used internet throughout the day as I was very busy and happy. I didn't remember my family and friends at all because I was enjoying company of myself. I realized how necessary it is to detach some time from all the worries and just relive the childhood.
Slingshot was one of my favorite game of childhood. And today I got a chance to play this game almost after a decade.
अरे वाह! It was very close this time.
Gilli Danda, a traditional Indian game which is always a fun to play in a group as there is no limitation on number of players. And guys, we have enjoyed a lot playing this game after a long time.
We are already the winners. Yay! Super! Super!
7 stones. This is also a very famous Indian traditional game which is also called as Pittu, Lagori and Satorio.
This became my one of the favorite group game. This game can make any stranger a friend. You will love all the games we played here, so visit this place very soon. Okay, so this is archery game they are playing. So they are ready. The one in the green t-shirt is the owner of this particular place and he is teaching everything here in detail. Now it's dinner time, a full-fledged Kathiawadi meal which was really yum. But today if I was given a choice of games or food, I would definitely go for games. I enjoyed so much. Today we met new people. They were so kind and we could become friends in no time. We all had so much fun together.
We came back to Ahmedabad at 9 p.m. and it was really a great day. We have enjoyed a lot. We all know that India is an agriculture dominant country. Due to this fastest technology, we lost the touch of interest from agriculture, nature, villages, physical activities, childhood memories. I would strongly recommend each and everyone to visit this place at least once if you really want to recall your childhood memories. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know more about this place, please comment down below. We will surely help you. Thank you for watching We Parents. And stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.